Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa abarholi babomasipalada bona basebenze ngokuzikhandla ukukhulisa umnotho wabomasipalada babo.
Local government has to be strong, it has to be efficient, it has to be capable, and it also has to be well run. When these domestic investors as well as multinationals make their investment decisions on where to bring or to expand their investments, one of the first factors that they consider is whether there is an enabling environment in that locality.
Rakengelithi imphathimandla kufanele zibe nobudlelwano obuhle ukudosa abasisi. Uthi abasisi bafuna abantu abasebenza ngokuzikhandla bona kubanjwe imhlangano ngorhabako amabhizinisi wabo asebenze kutholakale amanzi ahlwengekileko igezi kunye namahlelo okuthuthwa kwenzibi.
They look at the quality of the roads and at the quality of the infrastructure they will need to transport their products to the market. They analyze whether the environment is safe and secure, whether they will be able to protect their investments.
We therefore
need to redefine the way, I'm sorry about that. Okay, I was being given lessons on how to deal with load shedding. And I must say, I am sorry about that. This continues to be our biggest challenge, as you all know. And I think it affects you at local level because you distribute electricity, and when it does this, it gets your own customers to lose businesses. It disrupts the livelihoods of our people.
Abomeyara abanengi bebakhambele imbizo le bathola ithuba lokukhulumisana nomengameli ngeentjhijilo abaqalene nazo.